Meta has collapsed minus 5.44% to $567.58, a historic single-session move that demands your attention. In this video we break down what is driving this and what it means. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. It is Thursday, June 18th, and this is your complete global market briefing. The market is lacking a clear catalyst today, leading to choppy, two-way price action. Let us start with a quick look at how the major global markets are positioned today. Starting with the major global indices. S&P 500 is down minus 1.21%, trading at $7,420.10. Equity markets are responding to reports that JP Morgan falling oil prices a massive tailwind for global stock markets. Crude oil prices today, oilprice.com. NASDAQ 100 dipped minus 0.99% to $29,671. Equity markets are responding to reports that got $1,500. 3 no-brainer artificial intelligence, ARI, semiconductor stocks to buy before they saw once again the motley fool. Dow Jones is trading lower by minus 0.98% at $51,493. Equity markets are responding to reports that what does 2026 hold for your investments in gold, silver ETFs NDTV profit. DAX is broadly flat at $24,935, awaiting a fresh catalyst. This comes as banks/oil price forecasts after US-Iran breakthrough. Crude oil prices today, oilprice.com, adding pressure to energy markets. FTSE 100 is little changed, hovering near $10,509. Equity markets are responding to reports that Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Now let us turn to some of the biggest names in global equities. Meta made a dramatic move today, plunged minus 5.44% to $567.58. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Meta Platforms is overvalued at 5.5x PS. Buy, sell, or hold the stock. Trading view. Microsoft made a dramatic move today, plunged minus 3.79% to $378.91. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Microsoft Cloud and ARI strength fuels third quarter results, Microsoft source. ASML surged plus 3.54% to $1,867.83 in a significant session. Equity markets are responding to reports that, news, Tesla Elon Musk discusses Terafab at ASML conference, project expected to spur UV tool orders, TrendForce. Amazon plunged minus 3.46% to $237.50 in a significant session. Equity markets are responding to reports that Amazon tops cloud expectations on strong ARI demand, shares rise. Now let us dig into the macro picture driving these moves. Geopolitical risks remain elevated. This comes as banks/oil price forecasts after US-Iran breakthrough. Crude oil prices today, oilprice.com, adding pressure to energy markets. This is keeping traders cautious and supporting flows into defensive assets. Central bank policy is at the forefront of investor minds. Equity markets are responding to reports that Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Equity markets are responding to reports that what does 2026 hold for your investments in gold, silver ETFs NDTV profit. Turning to commodities. Brent crude slipped to $78.69 per barrel, down 0.34% on the session. Traders are reacting to news that current price of oil as of fortune. WTI crude dipped to $75.01 per barrel, down 1.37% on the session. Traders are reacting to news that current price of oil as of fortune. Natural gas dropped sharply to $3.16, down 2.5% on the session. This comes as banks/oil price forecasts after US-Iran breakthrough. Crude oil prices today, oilprice.com, adding pressure to energy markets. Gold dipped to $4,276.30 per troy ounce, down 1.26% on the session. Safe haven demand is being supported by reports that gold fails the safe haven test again. Fisher Investments. Let us give you our near-term view on Meta. With the selling pressure we have seen today, the key support level for Meta is around $533.53. A failure to hold there could accelerate the decline and attract further sellers. For a recovery, bulls need to see a fundamental shift in the drivers weighing on prices. This is our view, always do your own research. In the currency markets, Euro to US dollar is at 1.15, losing 0.76% on the day. Pound sterling to US dollar is at 1.33, losing 0.94% on the day. US dollar to Japanese yen is at 160.42, gaining 0% on the day. Currency markets are reacting to monetary policy decisions. European Central Bank. Here is your market watch list heading into the next session. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. A quick like takes 1 second and helps this channel grow. We genuinely appreciate it. Subscribe for daily coverage across every major market. Tell us in the comments what you are watching most closely right now. That wraps up today's coverage from MTRS_Market Pulse. This content is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Always do your own research. Stay disciplined, and we will see you tomorrow. That is your full global market briefing from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe and turn on notifications for daily updates.